The relationship between CO2 venting and health, safety, and environment, HSE, is critical because venting CO2 can have direct and indirect impacts on human health, safety, and environmental sustainability. Here's how they are interconnected. Health impacts. Air quality. CO2 venting can contribute to poor air quality, especially when associated with other greenhouse gases or contaminants. Although CO2 is non-toxic at low concentrations, high levels in enclosed or poorly ventilated areas can cause suffocation or health issues. Worker health. Prolonged exposure to elevated CO2 levels can lead to dizziness, headaches, or impaired cognitive function, posing risks to personnel working near venting sites. Safety concerns, risk of asphyxiation. In confined spaces, such as processing facilities or tanks, vented CO2 can displace oxygen, creating a suffocation hazard for workers. Pressurized venting hazards. High-pressure venting systems can fail or malfunction, leading to physical risks such as equipment damage or explosions if not properly maintained. Fire risk. While CO2 itself is non-flammable, its venting is often linked to processes involving flammable gases, which can create safety risks. Environmental impacts. Climate change. Contribution. CO2 is a major greenhouse gas, and venting it directly into the atmosphere exacerbates global warming and climate change, leading to regulatory scrutiny. Regulatory violations. Improper venting can violate environmental laws and result in fines, impacting the company's compliance and reputation, sustainability, and corporate responsibility. Environmental stewardship. Companies prioritizing sustainable practices reduce CO2 venting through carbon capture and sequestration, aligning with global HSE and ESG environmental, social, and governance standards. Public perception. Poor venting practices can damage public trust, impacting relationships with stakeholders. Conclusion C. O2 venting is closely tied to HSE because it affects worker safety, public health, and environmental protection. Addressing CO2 emissions through advanced technologies and adherence to HSE regulations is essential for sustainable and responsible operations.